Here's an interesting problem. So how do we make the text cut through the black line but not the red line? I've set up a new file that already has the text, the black and the red line, and now we need to set up the layers. So let's go into the layers panel and have some layer structure. So we've got the text. We've got a red line. And we've got a black line. And of course, you put all your red lines and all your black lines into there. And then, of course, we need another layer for the black things, which is basically the black lines and the text. So these need to be stacked in this way. The text on top, the black lines, the red lines. And now, of course, they need to be sorted there. So this here needs to be in the red line, and this one needs to be in the black lines. And now we can set up the appearances. So I'm opening the appearance panel. And then let's first target this layer. So this appearance will be applied not to the text objects, but to the layer. So adding a fill here, the color doesn't matter at all, but it needs to be below the contents. And then it has to have path, offset path, and I'm going to reduce that. And the amount of what you enter in here depends on the size of your object. So let's leave it like that. And then this fill needs to have an opacity of 0%. Like this. And then we need to target this layer that has the text and the black lines. And again, go into the appearance panel to the opacity and turn on knockout group. Like this. And now it knocks out the black, but not the red lines. And of course, that will apply to any line that is in here. So if I draw another one, it will act like that. And let's go on this one here. And you see the same happens to them.